Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering Technology, Nagar, Bandar East. Our today's topic is comprehension. In it, we will discuss or learn about GRD data, a pros lesson on GRD data. Course outcomes: summarize the comprehension passage, answer the given question of specified passage, formulate a sentence using the given new words, use correct syntax or construct meaningful sentences for the given situation, answer the question on given unseen passage. These are the writing skills we will achieve. Then speaking skill: pronounce the word correctly in a given passage, give oral instruction with the correct pronunciation and intonation for the given situation, answer the question orally on given unseen passage with correct pronunciation. These are the speaking skills also achieved from this passage or topic. So students, these are the learning outcomes we will achieve from this topic after completion of this topic. So J.R.D. Tata, a very famous businessman. You know that about the Tata Group, one of the famous group in India or all over the world. The year 2004 is significant in Tata Group because it is marked the 100th birth anniversary of J.R.D. Tata and Naval Tata, and the death and century of Jamshedji Tata. The two generations more JRD epitomize the way of life and cultural business cared country and its people. JRD Tata was born in Paris in July 29, 1904 or 29 July 1904. Jahangir Jamshedji Dodobhai Tata was the second child of Ratanji Dodobhai Tata and his French wife Sonia. Established 1859, the Tata Group was already India's biggest conglomerate. When Tata became his fourth chairman in 1938, he was just 34 years old. Under his leadership, Tata asset climbed rupees 62 crore, means 620 million in 1939 over the 10,000 crore, means 100 billion in 1990. During the last half of the 20th century, Tata entered the several new business, many of them unconventional and a product vast range of the product for airline to hotels, truck to locomotive, soda ash and other heavy chemical to pharmaceutical and financial services, tea, air condition, lipstick and collagen. The group seemed to make everything and do everything. One of the Tata earliest achievement was casual 10 rival cement company to merge from the associate cement companies run by the Tatas. JRD's 10 existing business such as steel power and hotels. As an industrialist, JRD is created with placing Tata Group on international map. As an aviator and pioneer flies, he brought commercial aviation to India. As a patron of art, he was revered by Indian artists, sculpture performing artists under the JRD tutelage. The Tatas became the biggest buyer, promoter, supporter of art world in the India, and as a philanthropist, he respected for keeping alive, building up the tremendously active Tata Charitable Trust. The leadership of the Tata, according to him, JRD motivating others. As a chairman, my responsibility is to inspire the worker or other people. When the number of persons are involved, I am definitely conscious man. He once said, adding, but does not mean that I do not disagree or I do not express my views. Basically, it is a question of having deal with the individual men or heading with different enterprises. You have to adapt yourself to their ways and deal according to the neutral and best man. If I have my merit, I am getting on individual according to their characteristic. In the 50 years, have dealt with the 100 top directors. During his life, he made number of directors and he got on them all. At that time, he involved expressing himself, and it is a painful necessary. But a leader, you have got to lead human being and affection. Be that it is a time Tata Sport talented, and once he was confident that the manager would perform all this activity, he gave him a long hope. If they wanted to be on their way, like Suman Mulgaonkar, he left them to it. If they occasionally wanted to a shoulder to cry on, like Darbari said, JID was the supportive climate, provide the supportive climate to build a development entrepreneurs such as Sir Homi Modi, Sir Adarsh Dalal, Jahangir Gandhi, Rusi Modi, Suman Mulgaonkar, Darbari said, etc., who created billion in a wealth for the group and the country. It was the environment where scientists of international reputed such Homi Bhabha, leading lawyer J.D. Chokosky, Nana Palkhiwala, and economist John Mathai, A.D. Shroff, D.R. Pense, Freddie Mehta could flourish also. In 1950s and 60s, spurred the several group of companies, particularly Tata Steel, Tata Chemical, and involved in their fame. As a boss, according to Tata, crux of successful labor policy lay in making worker feel wanted. Any policy he want to making, it is worker feel or the worker feel wanted honi chahiye. Worker feel is there. One of the inherent drawback of modern industry with its large and concentrated labor forces was that each man left instead of being the valued member of friendly and human organization. He easily led, feeling himself a victim of the callous and unfair treatment of little is needed to make him to look upon his employee and enemies to break out the open conflict. Tata Steel became one of the earliest company in India to have dedicated human resource department, expressing surprise that the company had a function for so long without one. Tata commented. If our operation required the employment of say 30,000 machine tools, we would undoubtedly have a special staff or department to look after them, to keep them in repair, replace them when necessary, maintain their efficiency, protect them from damage. But when employ 30,000 human being, each with the mind and soul of his own, we seem to assume that they would look after themselves and they care themselves. There was no need to separate organization to deal with human problem and involve. Jahangir Ratanji Dudabhai Tata died in Geneva in Geneva November to November 29 November 1993. He made his money in India. A few address him with the full pomposity of the name with which he born. He was simply JRD, simply says JRD to the world, and his friend JRD, India, the most well-known industrialist, widely respect for his enormous and contribution to development in Indian industry, aviation in particular. Tata headed India's largest industrial conglomerate with uncommon success. But this was only aspect of life. He was also the man of great sensitivity and was pained by the poverty he saw around and sought variously alleviated. He also was a philanthropist. He wanted India to become the happy country and did all he could do and make it so. As a patron of science and art and a man of passion of literature, the fast car, trekking and flying, who is only Mr. J.R.D. Tata. So student, I hope you understood the topic very well. Thank you very much.